Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you quick trick to turn the pointer on and off on your LG Smart TV. Actually, there is no direct setting to control the pointer, but don't worry, there is a simple workaround. Just use your remote. Press the left and right arrow keys. See, the pointer disappears. It is that easy. To get the pointer back, just press OK button or any other button on your remote. The pointer reappears instantly. And that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share Everything YouTube channel. Got questions? Comment below. I will reply to all. See you next time.